Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about BBIG stock. You guys can see that on the last trading day, the market in BBIG went up 28%. So I said, hey, obviously somebody's coming to the market and participating in the BBIG stock. So let me come in and update my community as to what's really going on. You guys can see I did a price prediction into the market in BBIG all the way back since like February, and I was looking for the stock to go up then, and needless to say, it did not do it. No, it didn't. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, before I go ahead and look forward to what the market and BBIG is anticipated to do, if y'all, today's your first time seeing my videos, my content, welcome aboard, right? This is what I do. I'm not here to cause no confusion. I'm not here to make this thing seem complex or complicated. I'm just sitting here looking at price. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead, tap in, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. All right. Another thing about me is that I also come through and show you the price predictions, the ones that I get right. I definitely come through and show you the ones that I got wrong. And this is one instance that I did not get right. I did not get the price prediction correct in BBIG. It went down instead of it going up. All right. Now, one thing about me, I'm not going to come through and continue to pump this stock. Right. If it goes down, it goes down. I need to cut it. There's no need for me to continue to harp on and saying that BBIG is going to hit $15 and do videos at the videos and saying that market is going to go up when clearly that is not the bias of this stock, or at least from February the 10th to now, that wasn't the emphasis that the market was trying to push. So yeah, I didn't get it right. All right. I wouldn't consider this a very good price prediction, even though the market is clearly now within a reasonable area to where we can let the play go and only lose 8.25%, right? Versus us being down 31%, which happened relatively quick on February the 24th. Okay. But overall, I want to show you that the market in BBIG really hasn't done a lot from what I expected back in February. Like, this is all that is done. It's just traded sideways. That's it. This is not what a uptrend market is supposed to look like. It is just a market that's tradable. You can buy it on the low, sell it on the high. That's it. We're not in a definitive long-term trend. Like, I'm zooming out the chart now, and you guys can still see how majority of the time a lot of trading action just occurs within this range. Yeah, we see some spikes to where price breaks out of that range, but I mean, let's keep it real. If you're looking for a market to be biased and be in an uptrend and trade like this, BBIG is not that stock. It's not going up like that. Instead, it's doing like this. That's all it's doing, just trading sideways. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this. Like I said, I didn't get that one correct. Got that one wrong. But hey, let's get back in position though. We can still forecast and get back in position and win on the next one. All right, so let me go ahead and extend this out further, because obviously the market appreciates $2. Like, the buyers are there at $2. Okay, so that's the starter point. We've seen buyers in BBIG come through and hold the market. That's a good start for us to continue to see price go up. Now the question is, how strong is the market for real? Okay, look at this. I'm not looking for a lot, not on a monthly time frame at least. 5 weeks looks pretty good. Okay, one thing I like is the fact that if BBIG doesn't want to fall below $2, and now we're going to look for 250 to 255 as support too. Okay, 3 weeks. That looks pretty good. The 3 weekly price chart looks pretty good for us to look for the market to go up. Now, let me keep it out. Let me put that out on the street. I'm not one of these moon boys. I'm not going to come out here and pump up BBIG all the way up there to $45. No, I'm going to be a little bit more realistic in where we think price is going to go. So this is that first area right here. Okay, on a 3 weekly basis, because I already know that 350 is a restriction point. 350 is where sellers are at. We need to see the buyers take them out at 350 before we see $4. But that's my first price target, around $4. Then my second one is going to be up there around 450. Yeah, that's probably about it. Like I said, this is not a bullish stock. The market's not in a uptrend. It's not in a downtrend. It's just a tradable stock. You buy at a certain level, you get out at a certain price. It's not one that you hold on for 45 years. 3 weeks. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty much showing you how the buyers are trying to run the yard. They're trying to control this environment in BBIG. Weekly time frame. Okay. So check this out. I'm not going to be here wasting your time. I'm just showing you the expectations. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. Switch this back on the daily time frame. And like I told you earlier, we already know that restriction is at 350. Okay. Yeah. But I'm looking for the price in BBIG to go up a little bit higher. And I want you all to see how we could see the market come here. That's my first problem. $3.80. That's my first price target then. Since I can actually tell here in the background that the market right here use this area as restriction, we need to take some money off the table right there then. Look at that right here. February the 16th and then again on February the 10th. That's where the buyers were at. So if the sellers, if the sellers are going to be there again, then guess what? We need to go ahead and grab that 60% and leave. So my first price target is 382 or 380. Second one is up there around 4. Okay, and that gives us around 21.5%. Ultimately 450, which is 38.3%. That less likely. I'm not really too keen on seeing the price in BBIG go up to that particular price level, but hey, anything can happen, especially with all that volume that came in. So I wanted to consider that movement as well in BBIG. Okay. Now, as long as price in BBIG, like I said, $2 was support previously. Now I need to see the buyers continue to hold 250. If they continue to hold 250, price doesn't trade below 250, then the expectation will be for price to continue to go up. All right. Now I got 3 price targets. The first one that I told you was $3.82, $3.80. The second one is $4. The third one is like $4.50. And that's it. Okay. Now, as always, I keep the comment section open because I want you all to try to learn how to do this for yourself. And what better way to do it than simply dropping your price target, your price prediction in BBIG with a comment below. And we'll come back and see which one was right. All right. So make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.